So I've been able to find an app that helps you with your photo editing. You just need is you need your phone, and make sure your phone has a very good camera. Or if your phone does not have a good camera, you can collect somebody else's phone, give yourself a nice shot. You get it now? Or you ask somebody to give you a shot. After that shot, then you come and use this mobile app to edit the video, and it will look like a pro. Trust me, it's something that you can do. So in this video, I want to teach you how to do it. So look at the one I've done. Look at the raw video. That's what you are seeing in the screen now. And look at the final editing. Look how it looks. Does it look very interesting to you? So if you want to learn that same thing, wait to the very end and I will teach you how to do that. Don't forget to share this video.
So for the tutorial, we need two mobile apps that we'll be using. The first one is CapCut. Don't worry, I know what's in your mind is CapCut is a video editor. Don't worry, we'll still use it. Why the second one is this. So you can go to your Play Store if you're using Android, and if you're using Apple, you go to Apple Store. So let me click on app. The second app is called iPic. iPic, this first one here is a video photo editor. So once you download that, okay, then so you then go to your CapCut, open your CapCut. After opening your CapCut, the next you want to do is to go to this photo editor here, this one here. Open that photo editor, then you pick the picture you want to use for this work. So let me find the picture I'll be using for this work. So this is the one I'll be using. Then I will click on this edit button downward here. So it loads. So once you get here, there are so many features you can do here, but it is limited. But where the real feature is in the second app, which is in partnership with CapCut. So you can see this enhanced by AI that is down here. Click on it. So just click on it now. It's open other Epic app. You see now, this is the Epic app. So that's the reason why you need to download that Epic app. If you did not download it, it will take you to, it will tell you that you need to download the Epic app before you can further editing. So I've already downloaded, that's why I switched to that app. So what am I going to do here is very simple. Just look for all these things are tools. Then I will look for the tools called, look at these tools here, enhance face. Click on it, right? So just hold on a bit. It may take a little more time, just hold on. Now you can see the difference. Look, let me zoom it. Zoom. It has clear all the pimples. This thing work like a magic, I'm telling you. Now next thing you need to do here is this. Come to this place, come to this adjust, this auto adjust. Click on auto adjust. You see now it has given it some kind of brightness, color and the rest. Then this increase and decrease here, increase it a bit, put it on 90. It's okay. Then you are done. Then on your own, you can further explore this app. Like me now, you should know me. I can explore this app. So but on a simple level of photo editing, this is perfect. So look at what you get. Imagine this is your real image when we brought it in, and this is how it is now. Isn't this making sense? For free, you're not paying any dime. All you just need CapCut and the IP app. That's all. So after you're done with this, the next thing you want to do is to come to this place. Look at up here, you will see apply to CapCut. So you need to go back to CapCut now. So by the time you go back to CapCut, so that you can export the picture to your phone gallery where you'll be able to use it. So go back to CapCut now. Go back to CapCut. Click apply. So this is the picture. Now look at export up now. I will export it. Export. So my picture is ready. As simple as that. Then let me open it on my gallery. This is a picture on my phone gallery. Guys, is this not making sense to you? Please guys, if you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe if you have not, and also follow my Facebook page if you have not, and you can share this video with more people. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one. Bye.